ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, if I am in any public building and I see people pulling fire alarms for fun, taking fire alarms off the wall, screwing and unscrewing fire alarms, drawing on fire alarms, painting fire alarms, taking the fire lettering off of fire alarms, taking the logo off of fire alarms, taking the strobe off of fire alarms, taking horn off of fire alarms, disabling the horn or the strobe on fire alarms, adjusting the volume, the pattern, the candela, and tone on fire alarms, cutting power to fire alarms, and if the fire alarm is a EST Genesis, crossing out the running man escaping from the fire and taking that image off of fire alarms, tampering with the fire alarm control panel or any other components of the fire alarm system, smashing fire alarms, I will call the police to send them to jail because what they are doing is illegal. Because messing around with fire alarms in public buildings puts public safety in danger. So don't do that. Bye.